Today, I'm going to share with you 10 most common English mistakes. Check if you do these mistakes or not. Mistake number one is about subject-verb agreement with collective noun. The team are meeting today. No, the team is meeting today. Mistake number two is misuse of used to. I used to working on a team. No, it's wrong. I used to work on a team. With used to, we always use base form of a verb. Mistake number three is use of double negatives. Like, for example, I don't need no help. No, it's wrong. I don't need help. Mistake number four is use of less and fewer. We use less with uncountable nouns and fewer with countable nouns. I have less books than you. No, it's wrong. Because books are countable, we use I have fewer books than you. Mistake number five is use of mixed conditionals and incorrect use of tense. Like, for example, if I had studied harder, I will pass. No, it's incorrect. If I had studied harder, I would have passed. Mistake number six is I wish I was rich. No, it's incorrect. I wish I were rich. In subjunctive mode, when you are using a hypothetical situation, you always use were with I. Mistake number seven is word order or cliff sentences. Like, for example, Sarah baked the cake. It was. No, it's wrong. It was Sarah who baked the cake. She little knew that he was lying. Little did she know that he was lying. This one is correct. Mistake number eight is mistake about passive voices. Like, for example, they say that the meeting is being attended. No, it's wrong. And the right one is they say that the meeting is being attended. Mistake number nine is mistake is about relative clauses. The man which came yesterday. No, it's wrong. The man who came yesterday. Mistake number 10 is about articles. Like, for example, I have the breakfast at 8 a.m. in the morning. No, it's wrong. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. in the morning. When we are talking about meals, don't use the or any other articles with meals. So I hope you like this video and you have learned about 10 common mistakes most of the learners do. If you want me to make a video on some particular topic, let me know. See you in the next video.